Hello, I'm Diana Ruth Briscoe with Bridges.Academy. And somatic healing has been such an amazing healing tool, a actual healing technology. And it has benefited my life. I feel so much more empowered on my own health and well-being and understanding myself and how to heal, as well as my clients. We've learned how to do this technology that has been created by David Quigley, creator of alchemical hypnotherapy, somatic healing. Can you let us know more about how to use this advanced, complex technology?
Indeed. Somatic healing is based on, and by the way, some of you may know that I was in a wheelchair, and now I'm not only walking, but I'm a martial artist and mountaineer and dance improv master at 71. Well, student anyway. And I love to use my body 2 to 5 hours a day of rugged hiking and dancing. And the only way I can get out of the wheelchair and do that is with somatic healing. And this technology, however, can work with all kinds of conditions. We can access, number one, we can access the underlying cause of that condition. Why is it there? What purpose is it there to serve? What movements, what actions, what commitments can we make in our lives that would cause this illness to disappear? And we'll learn about that. We'll also learn how to use hypnotic movement. That is how the body can move itself into unwinding and realigning muscles, bones, and tendons, in conjunction, of course, with medical treatment. We can also learn how to work with color healing and transforming the body through running colors through the body and out exit points, sometimes called acupuncture points. These brilliantly colored energies, which are called chi, can be run through the body to heal almost any kind of condition, especially when we bring in the inner healer, our own divine source of healing, that can enter our bodies in a trance state and literally perform surgery on our bodies. Well, do you think this works? I should take you out on one of my rock climbing expeditions sometime so you can see how a former arthritic from the wheelchair does it. But you might fall and hurt yourself, so I probably won't. This is an incredibly powerful process, and I teach it all over the world. In Japan, they have it in clinics and hospitals all over the country because they have a very healthy healthcare system. And you can learn that technology in the 4 days of somatic healing in our program, which is open to anyone. Join us and heal yourself as well as everyone your heart can touch.
Thank you, David. I'm so looking forward to this course.